Okay, guys, after the announcement of the US election, and of course, the whole of the market turned out into blue, and it was so amazing, guys. I hope you guys also made some profit for yourself while you were trading yesterday. I also dropped some signals in the Telegram platform, and they all turned out in huge profit. Even my trading board did something crazy all over the night, and I'm just going to go to the history page. And of course, this was what happened throughout the night. And of course, the trading bot actually gave me over $4,278 profit, 100% profit. And I'm not the only one that got this. Most of my subscribers that also got the trading bot also made as much as this. I have one person that even made more than this. Okay, probably she was having a little bit capital, I mean more capital than what I am having, or probably she traded more than what I decided to trade. Okay, it all depends on the settings we all are using. Okay, and we have some people that didn't get up to this, but they still made reasonable amount of money in total. Let me show you how much I've been able to make using this trading. So this will shock you guys. Okay, I'm able to achieve this within the last 1 month, and of course, guys, this is $12,667, and I started with just $200. Okay, I didn't just get there at the beginning. I started gradually until I'm able to achieve this. So this is so amazing, and you guys will also love every part of this. Okay, so I'm really happy because this is also making most of my subscribers that have gotten this trading tool happy. Okay, I'm always happy when my subscribers are happy. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. So if you are not a subscriber of this channel, kindly click on the subscription button right now, and you should try as much as possible to join the Telegram channel so that you can also learn more from me. Okay, guys, let's go straight into what we have for today. So guys, we will be checking out this chart, and I will use it to explain to you how I am able to generate my signal using the mobile setup. In case you are not having any of my trading tool, the custom made indicators, and of course the trading bot, then you can still make use of your mobile setup to make some good amount of money for yourself. Even chart trading alone will help you to know when the market is buying and when it is selling, when you should go into the market and when you should exit the market. And you can easily grow your small trading capital into something reasonable and be cashing out from there on daily basis. You can turn your mobile phone into money making machine for you just by trading on all these platforms right from here. Remember, you need a broker for you to have access to this. I am using Deriv, and you can see the link in the description box. I will try as much as possible to add it also to the comment section. They are more reliable, and you can depend on them, and you can trust them and trade with them right from there. So let's see how we can do our analysis right from here. Okay, right here we should understand that we have what is called the support zone and the resistance zone. Okay, so once we understand this, we will be able to know when to buy and when to sell. And of course, guys, the resistance zone is always at the top, while the support zone is always at the bottom part. Okay, so this is very, very important. Once the price action, or once the market gets to the support zone, it is always difficult for it to break out below it. So if it's unable to break out below it, then it's going to buy. Okay, so we should understand that when it gets to the resistance zone, it is always difficult to break out above it, and if it's unable to break out above it, then we should expect the market to sell. Okay, so we should understand all these. Okay, so once we understand all these, then we should also understand that because it has gotten to the resistance zone or gotten to the support zone, it does not really mean that it will either sell or buy immediately. Okay, in case it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling. Okay, and in case it breaks out above the resistance zone, it will keep on buying. Of course, it is a resistance zone, but if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. And of course, guys, it is a support zone, but if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. There are no two ways about it. It will keep on selling till it gets to the next support zone. And if it breaks out above the resistance zone, it will keep on buying until it gets to the next resistance zone. So that is how it works, guys. So you should open your brain and open your mind as well, so that you will know how to go about it. Then another thing I want you to understand is that at this point is the resistance zone. And of course, if you should notice the market structure, you can use the market structure to do your analysis and still make some good amount of money from here. So this actually started from the support zone, and it bought till it got to this region. After getting to that region, it had a pullback and it got here, and it went back up and went above this, and of course got to another region and still unable to break out above that. But if you should notice, this is forming a parallel line, okay, so which means it is still a resistance zone, okay, for both of them. And of course, guys, it's now started coming down. Immediately it is coming down. If you should look at it very well, this is forming a certain letter in our alphabet, and it is forming a letter M. Okay, so that is it. It is forming a letter M, and the last leg of letter M should be a sell order. Okay, it should be a sell signal. So if you, then I expect you to sell using this. Okay, after doing this, then you should sell the last leg. And where should you put your first TP? You position your first TP where you are the last low. Okay, so I always advise you to position it a little bit above it. So which means if you are to position it, you put it somewhere here so that you catch, you get your TP quickly before it reverses back, because sometimes it will not get to the tip. Okay, sometimes it will not get to the tip before it will pull back. So if you had positioned it somewhere here, you will have cashed out from there and wait for it to break out. If it breaks out from there, then definitely you are looking at the bigger picture. You are now looking at the bigger picture, so you can come in again and sell till it gets to the next. And of course, once it breaks out from there, then you can now look at a more bigger picture and see how you can milk the market successfully for yourself. The same thing is applicable for a buy signal. Check it out. This actually sold till it got to the support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it went back up and of course came down again. And this is already forming something. You can see the first leg and of course the second leg, and of course it means that if it's not breaking out from here, then it should go back up and buy. Okay, so you can see this is forming a W, which means it will buy. Check it out, it bought. We expect it to get to this region. You can set out different TP area using the resistance zone it has formed in the past. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. You can see that it actually even went above this. I would have asked you to put the last TP, set the last TP at this point, and once it breaks out from there, then definitely you can now go in and even buy more. Okay, so that is how it works. It is as easy as this. You just need to look at something different from every other thing that we are seeing right from here. Okay, look at what the pattern is forming, and with this you will be able to milk the market successfully without any hiccups. So guys, I hope you have learned a lot from today's video. You can go back to your charts, put it on your demo account, and of course try it out right from there and see if it works for you. If this works for you, kindly come back to the comment section and let us know your experience about it, and you can now go back to your real account once you have been able to perfect this skill on your demo account. I will be stopping right there. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.